Barış, hey, wake up, man. Look outside. Can you believe how bright it is already?
Wow, look at that sun. It's only 7:30, but it feels like midday. Crazy.
Yeah, today's June 21st, the summer solstice. It's the longest day of the year.
Definitely no wasting time today. The pool looks absolutely incredible. We gotta dive in now.
Good call, man. I really need a cold swim to completely wake up right now.
Oh man, that was so refreshing. I feel totally energized. So what's our schedule?
Let's quickly dry off, grab a light breakfast, and hit the beach park by 11.
Whoa, the atmosphere here is electric. That red team is completely dominating the sand court.
Unbelievable, right? But wow, this midday sun is intense. My sunscreen is literally melting off. I hear ya. Let's grab iced drinks and chill under those palm trees over there.
Man, that final match was a total nail-biter. My legs feel so heavy right now.
Tell me about it. We burned so many calories today. What time is it anyway?
It's already 7:30, but look at the sky. It's still completely bright out here.
That's the magic of the longest day, bro. Let's grab dinner, then our final stop.
Oh man, the sun finally set. It's gotta be almost 9:30 by now.
Twilight lasted forever. This open-air cinema is beautiful, though. The breeze feels absolutely amazing now.
Sure does. Here, help me lay down this blanket. I grabbed popcorn and cold drinks.
Thanks, man. Honestly, I am completely exhausted. If I fall asleep, do not wake me.
Deal. I am running on fumes too. Tomorrow, I am sleeping in until noon.
Look, shh, the screen is lighting up. The movie is finally starting.
Solstice, dominating, nail-biter, exhaustive, fumes. What a perfect way to end the longest day.